my easy French beans with salted egg recipe.
Okay, to start our cooking, lagyan natin siya ng olive oil. And then we put in our onion and then our garlic. Ayan na, salted egg, di ba? Oh, sarap. Okay, so yan, tik-tik-tik-tikin lang at ilagay na ang ating French beans. Very healthy. Okay, lagyan ng konting paminta. Ayan, so kung nagda-diet kayo, very nice dish yan pag nagda-diet. Diba? Sarap. Very easy rin lutuin. Kaya 10 minutes lang, luto na siya. Wow! Sarap-sarap. Ayun, hihip-hihip. Mainit eh. Yum, 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 yum. Sarap-sarap talaga. Approve.
Super sarap. Pero pa tayo. Magkakasarap ka.